Okay, so one of the big things in chemistry you gotta know is the metric system, and that involves, knowing what to do with base units and metric prefixes such as millimeter or kilogram or microgram or, one of these prefixes we use. And of course, in computing, we actually, obviously in biochemistry and health sciences, we're going to much smaller units. But in computing, we actually go to rather large units because, we're going up to, megabytes and gigabytes. And well, now we're up to, I think our hard drives and our cell phones are getting into the terabyte range and petabyte range. And at Oak Ridge National Lab, they're on the exascale. What does that mean? Exa goes one step higher than peta, right? So, computers are getting faster and faster, right? So how do we memorize all these things, right? There's kind of a scale, and I've done another video, a longer form video that I can link in the description here. But how do we memorize all these? You kind of want to memorize the order from really big down to really small. So I've kind of developed a little poem here, maybe a little song or something. And I don't really make my students memorize like exa. That's kind of a new one. They kind of can stop at peta. That's not that big. I also usually, milli, micro, nano, and pico. We kind of stop there at pico, but I've kind of included femto in here as well too. Femto is 10 to the minus 15th of a second. Like a femtosecond is 10 to the minus 15th of a second. So that goes one below pico, right? So let's think about a little chant, a little song, a little poem. I think you can sing this to a Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. I'm not so sure if my singing is all that good, so we'll see how that goes. But let's just kind of see what this is like. So here's my little rhythm. Big to small, the prefixes go. Here's the order you should know. Exa, peta, tera, 2, giga, mega, kilo, woo! Hecto, deca, base we say. And then we go deci, centi, milli, yay! Micro, nano, pico, flow. Femto's the smallest, that we know. So hopefully that helped you memorize the metric prefixes. Cheers!